So now we have our cast on 10 stitches. We're going to learn how to do a knit stitch. The most important way to do a knit stitch is to learn how to hold your yarn. There's many different ways, but I do what they call the throwing method. So I put it across the first, under, over, and around. Okay, now I always have this finger up. Okay, now the one needle with the stitches goes in your left hand, the one without goes in your right in this method. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your needle through the hole so it goes in the back. So all I'm doing is I'm just front, back, around, through. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a garter stitch is where you turn it around because you're going back and forth. You do the same thing again. A lot of people like to make these for scarves because they keep it nice and toasty. It gives us a nice, rich look.